Keep a consistent, simple routine to keep your air conditioning unit clean between deep cleanings. Start by inspecting the outdoor unit weekly and the indoor components monthly to catch buildup early. Trim plants back at least 2 feet from the outdoor condenser so airflow is not restricted and leaves cannot fall into the fins. Keep the area around the condenser free of leaves, grass clippings, and debris by raking or sweeping a 1 to 2 foot perimeter and using a soft brush to clear the fins without bending them. Cover the unit during the off-season with a breathable cover that prevents moisture trapping. Remove the cover before running the system to avoid mold and overheating. Check and swap out or clean filters every 1 to 3 months, depending on use and filter type, and always power off the system at the breaker before accessing components. Use a garden hose on low pressure to rinse the condenser fins from the inside out after removing large debris, and gently straighten any bent fins with a fin comb to restore efficient airflow. If you notice persistent dirt on the evaporator coil, a musty smell, or reduced cooling after these steps, schedule a professional service to perform a safe, deep clean. Common mistakes include letting vegetation grow against the condenser, which chokes airflow and reduces efficiency, so keep plants pruned and maintain a clear perimeter. Another frequent issue is neglecting filter changes, which leads to restricted airflow and ice on the evaporator coil, so set a recurring reminder and use the correct filter size and rating for your system. People also commonly leave a non-breathable cover on the unit during wet months, which traps moisture and causes corrosion and mold. Use a breathable cover only for dry off seasons and always remove it before restarting the system. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for maintenance and repairs and helps contractors find project leads and clients. We also host a discussion community where members share practical tips, ask questions, and post real experiences about ongoing maintenance tasks, like keeping an air conditioner clean,